Hey guys, Royal Luna here.
Royale.
And today we got something a little special. We have not officially recorded, as of this moment, the reaction to the music video yet, but your girl did the pre-order, and I got both variants of Taemin's new album. We're going to be unboxing them.
Also, apologies for the empty shelves behind us. We're moving soon.
Okay, I'm going to let you unbox,
So
unwrap.
that's why they're empty?
Yeah. We're moving to a bigger place, so the things are a little hectic. Okay, so how...
They're cute.
Oh,
In my opinion, they're cute.
Oh, they are adorable. Aww, our boy is so cute.
I think just... Hold on. One, two... Nope, it's just those.
Yeah. So we have, first version is, I can't read the it's a little hard to read with the plastic on it.
Taemin the V.
The 5th mini album, or the V mini album? I don't know what
Eternal.
Eternal. There we go.
Yeah, it says Eternal, but it's really, really funny.
There's my cookies.
When in doubt, toenail clippies.
No, actually those are tweezers.
Oh, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's anything inside that.
Okay, so we have the Eternal book. Oh yeah, I feel like there's something in. Whoa! What the? Oh, we got a poster. And, oh. Okay, there's, oh. Oh, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. We got a lot of things. Okay.
The poster's not bad.
Alright, let me make sure there's nothing else in here.
While killing yourself in the process?
I'm just skimming. I'm not actually. Oh shit, that's good picture.
You ready for me to show the poster?
Yeah. Let me see it. Ooh. Okay. Our boy looking good. Alright, here, you look at these.
Okay, take that.
Our boy, it's Taemin. Our boy always looks good.
These are, I don't know what the heck that is. Oh.
Wait. No matter what,
No matter
Taemin,
what, Taemin is Taemin.
There we go. You had to like fold it and put it together. That's kind of cool. That's very clever.
Also, he's got Polaroids. Little black Polaroids.
Oh.
Door. Oh, it forms a scene.
Oh, that's awesome. Let me see.
Hard to see, but yeah, it forms a little scene.
Yeah. Oh, not quite.
You can take it out. Oh.
If you hold it up to the light, it's a little easier. Oh, whoa, those are cool. How?
We've got 4. They gave us bonus photo cards.
Yeah. How bad are like the official pulls from the album itself?
One of them, it looks like he's giving that look.
Oh Lord.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, Mama Mia. Shit, I don't know. Okay. Here's. Oh, sweet nibblet bug. This man's going to be the death of us. Ah. God, this man's going to be the death of us. Just.
And this is just album number 1.
I know. That's. Damn. Taemin.
And it has the tweezies.
Yes. Killing it as always. Killing it as always.
He's a criminal.
Yes, indeed. Figure out which ones are. We gotta like this one. Gotcha.
We'll figure out which one's good on Mochi.
Yeah.
There's gonna be 6. So we'll each take 2.
Yeah.
Don't look.
I'm not looking.
Ah.
Oh, here's another. Well, I can do this. It's another no matter what. I think this is so cool.
It's the same scene.
And then it's like,
The exact same scene.
what?
The same scene as the other one.
Okay. Maybe we'll save this one for Mochi, unless you want it.
Nah. You know me and tiny stuff.
Yeah. Okay, how bad is the postcard itself?
Ropes.
What?
Ropes.
Oh, mamacita. Okay. Alright. Well, oh, fucking hell. This man, yeah.
Again, adorable.
Let me see. Oh my god. Those are adorable. This man is precious sometimes.
There it is. I think. Somewhere.
No, the CD was in the...
No, not the CD, the poster. There it is.
Scared?
It's the exact same poster.
Oh, jeez. Let me see. No, it's not. That poster's different. His hair is different.
No, it's not. It's the
Yeah,
same
it
poster.
is. Aki, look, the...
Oh, his hair's longer in this one.
It's his...
In here it's over his shoulder, in here it's not. So one he's
It's
facing
a different
backwards.
angle. It's a different angle.
One he's facing backwards, one he's facing forwards.
That one's the one we're keeping. Mochi can have this one, unless you want this one.
Kira, we share the Taemin stuff.
Sure.
So that's everything out of the albums.
The Taemin albums. Oh,
At least we got more bubble.
damn, we are not ready.
We got more bubble wrap at
Yes,
least.
yeah, that's for moving and everything. Okay.
Unless we want to have Clark play with it. Or Ginny.
Nah.
Oh, we haven't introduced Ginny, have we?
No, we have not. We'll do a video specifically for the baby girl.
Yeah, we got a cat, guys. Or, well,
I'm afraid to look at the
Luna.
album books. I'm
got a
afraid.
cat.
The covers are cool as hell. Ah!
You snipe yourself before I even sit down. Okay.
He does not play fair, this man. This man does not play fair at all.
Again. Reasons. I'm trying to put it in the picture. There we go.
This is
This is valid.
Yep, that's the truth with that little shit.
Put it on top of the other one.
Oh yeah. Okay. Hey, get off.
Bugs.
Alright guys, well that was the Taemin unboxing. Hopefully we'll have the music video reaction up soon. Well, this will probably go up after the
No, it'll probably go before.
yeah,
Given what we've said in it, it will go before.
yeah, it can go up before. We'll probably upload this a little bit later today. But yep, Taemin,
As usual, knocked it out of the ballpark and killed us all.
yep.
Definitely worth the, what was it, 70 bucks?
No, it was only 50.
Oh, 50?
Yeah, it was only 50 for these two.
Okay, so yeah, definitely worth the 50 bucks if you're entertainment.
1000%. Alright, bye guys.
Bye-bye.